Now we're going to take a look at finding the surface area of a beautiful square pyramid. Now it's a pyramid because it all comes up to one point. So the sides are tilted. We know that. We know what a pyramid looks like. And square means that the bottom of the base is a square. Might not look like one, but that's because it's three-dimensional. We're trying to make it look like it's a pyramid. Okay, now the side here is called the slant height. That's the side of the triangle that goes up in the middle of the triangle. That is the slant height. And then the bottom obviously is the square, and S represents the side of the square. And the surface area is the side squared plus 2 times the side times the slant height. Okay, so let's take a look at seeing how that came about. So with the bottom being a square, we know that the area of a square is side times side, or side squared. So that's how we get the S squared for that part of the area. And then for each side of the pyramid, there is a triangle. They're all the same size and the same shape, so they're all congruent because it's a bottom square. So each side on the front and the back and the left and the right are the same triangle. So the area of a triangle is the base times the height divided by 2. So our base is S, the height is L, which is the slant height. So S times L divided by 2. And then you have 4 of those triangles times 4. And then the 2 and the 4 reduce, and that's how you get the 2SL. So that's how the surface area of the square pyramid is coming about. So let's do an example. Here we go. So we have a beautiful pyramid here, which has a base of 12. The side is 12 by 12. Now the problem here is we don't have the slant height. The slant height is not given to us. Well, this is where we have to use our ingenuity of using the Pythagorean theorem with a right triangle, using the height of the pyramid inside with half the side because this is in the center. So if this is 12, what will that side be? It will obviously be a 6. So this piece will be 6. And we have 8 for the height of this right triangle, which means we have a 6, 8, 10 triangle. So a right triangle. So L is equal to 10. So that is equal to 10 here, okay? So now we can fill in. We have our side, which is 12. We're not going to use 6. 6 was just to use for the right triangle to find the slant height. Okay, so now we're going to, our L is 10, let me just put it there again. So the surface area is going to be S squared, which is 12 squared, plus 2 times 12 times our L, which is the slant height. So let's put that in, which is 10. Okay, so let me put that in. All right, so 12 squared is 144 plus 24 times 10 is 240, because you just have to add a 0 at the end. And so we have 380 square feet. So our surface area is going to be 384 square feet. There you go. And everybody, that is a good jobby.